Hello my brothers and sisters in nerdiness, welcome back to the Spider's Web, and in this video we're going to be doing an unboxing. And this particular box we're unboxing today was bought for me as sort of like a thank you for painting some minis for someone at the Games Club. Now unfortunately they didn't get, some of them didn't get filmed, and I had camera issues with others, so they didn't end up on the channel, but as a thank you I've got some more Judge Dredd with the League of Fatties. Yes, so let's get inside, shall we? This is what we have. Let's take the wrapper off first of all so we can see these properly. It's just a very quick video, nothing fancy, it's just what was I saying then? Yes, nothing fancy, it's just getting on with opening them up and seeing how we go. So, in the 2080s, speed and volume eating, or scoffing, became a competitive sport, and extreme obesity became the desired body image for many megacity citizens. In retaliation to perceived injustice of the food restrictions following the Apocalypse War, militant elements of the obese founded the League of Fatties, believing they had inalienable right to food, which they would take by any means necessary. Whilst an individual fatty might seem a less than threatening figure, the first food raid saw massed wedges of obese activists trundling forward, supported by their belly wheels, with the layers of flab providing natural armour against anything but the most lethal weapons. Little could stop them once momentum was gained. Large numbers of skinnies and bones were crushed in the stampede and from belly flops, but after the death of several judges trying to protect a food storage facility, a crackdown was swift. Most fatties were confined to special fat blocks, kept on strict diets for the maintenance of public order and their own protection, until their weight fell below the 300 kilogram mark. So, what does the box contain? 3 resin fatty miniatures, plastic bases, 1 unit card, 1 armoury card for a med pack, and 1 big meg card for umpty candy. Right, let's get in here and see what we have. So we have the usual, we have 2 bases here, hopefully there's another one inside. So we have the Warlord Games sheets with the address and advertisement buff and information about the resin kits. Next we have the cards. Right. The cards were packed by Ronnie S, and the fatties were, and the minis were packed by Rodica, I'm assuming. So put those names to one side. I think with the name Ronnie S, I think he can be sort of like one of the street gangs, and Rodica is definitely a judge name, so we'll have that. So we have, I see a 3rd base, so we're okay. So we have 3 cards, an armoury card, a big meg card, and this one, which is on the stats. That seems thick somehow. Oh well. So there we are. So that's what that says. And there are the stats. And then we have the armoury card, which is medpack, and we have the, what was this one again? The big meg card, which is for umpty candy. There we are. Apologise if my fingers look a little bit dirty. I was doing some gardening earlier. So we have 3 bases. We have a lower body, and we have an upper body. Unfortunately, these need to come off before we can place them. They need tidying up, so I can't really put them together. So we have one upper and lower body. We have a second upper and lower body, and nicely enough, they're numbered. I hope you can see that. This is number 3, the other one was number 2. There we are. And I'm assuming this is number 1. There we are. As you see, number 1. And they just slot in as you would imagine they would, but as I say, we need to tidy up a little bit first. But we have the little feet and legs there with the wheels, and she's tucking in some fried chicken there. Nice one. And then we have 2 plastic, oh, they're not plastic, are they? Yeah, still resin, but they feel like plastic. So there's a head, there's an arm with a gun, there's another arm with another gun, and an arm with a cleaver. So yes, that is it. That's the fatties opened up. And I'll put them to one side. What I'll do is I'll put a base in with each. Number 3, number 3. Okay, so that's for that one. I'll put that in there with a base. I'll put them in there with a base, and we'll glue these up at some point and get round to painting them. But yes, that's it. That's the fatties for you, or League of Fatties. And we have 2 more names to add to our collection for naming judges and other characters. So let's pop these back in here. Oops, get in. There we are. Zoom out a little bit. Oops. There we are. And that is the box in all its glory. So I'm not doing too badly with picking up stuff for, or we're getting all the stuff for Judge Dredd. Thankfully, some of my painting skills, or gladly, some of my painting skills are coming in useful for getting these rather than me actually going forking out for them. But you know, we're getting there. We're getting there. Anyway, that's it for this video. I hope you've enjoyed it. Short and sweet, like a roasted maggot. Yes, I know. Until next time, as always, stay safe and take care. God bless, and bye for now.